I'm recording and tearing up paper. Mittens. Hey, Mittens. Hey there, you. What are you going to be for Halloween this year, Mittens? You want to be a dog? You acting like one.
What are you doing in that case? Come here.
Well, I could have put you in. I could have put